Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to check your iPhone battery's health and performance in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your iPhone and launch the Settings app. Scroll down and look for the option labeled Camera, then tap on it. Once inside the camera settings, toggle on the option that says Use Volume Up for burst. Enabling this option will let us test the battery by using the burst mode for continuous activity. Once you've toggled on the option, close the Settings app and open your camera app. Press and hold the Volume Up button for about 2 minutes. This will activate burst mode, which consumes a significant amount of battery power. After completing the 2-minute process, check your battery percentage. If the percentage has dropped significantly, it may indicate that your battery has been boosted or is underperforming. This is a quick and simple test to gauge battery performance. And that's it for today's video. By following this simple method, you can test your iPhone's battery performance and check if it's functioning optimally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.